tiwastudy.site. View full answer explanations on our website and app.
Listening test. In the listening test, you will be asked to demonstrate how well you understand spoken English. The entire listening test will last approximately 45 minutes. There are 4 parts, and directions are given for each part. You must mark your answers on the separate answer sheet. Do not write your answers in your test book. Part 1. Directions. For each question in this part, you will hear 4 statements about a picture in your test book. When you hear the statements, you must select the one statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then, find the number of the question on your answer sheet and mark your answer. The statements will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Look at the example item below. Now, listen to the 4 statements. A.
They're moving some furniture.
B.
They're entering a meeting room.
C.
They're sitting at a table.
D.
They're cleaning the carpet.
Statement C,
They're sitting at a table,
is the best description of the picture, so you should select answer C and mark it on your answer sheet. Now, part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
He's standing on a rug.
B.
He's turning a doorknob.
C.
He's climbing a ladder.
D.
He's painting a wall.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
Some shirts have been hung on a clothing rack.
B.
A light fixture is attached to a column.
C.
Some boxes of clothing have been set on the floor.
D.
Some merchandise is on display in a store.
Go on to the next page. Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
The woman is putting some papers into a file folder.
B.
The woman is typing on a keyboard.
C.
The woman is seated in front of a computer.
D.
The woman is holding a cup.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
Some employees are washing some windows.
B.
A shopper is carrying a package.
C.
Some shopping carts have been lined up in a row.
D.
Some products have fallen on the ground.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
Snow is being cleared away.
B.
Bricks are being arranged on a walkway.
C.
Tree branches are being trimmed.
D.
A shovel is leaning against a flower pot.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
A potted plant is hanging above a window.
B.
There is a lamppost in front of a building.
C.
Some chairs have been arranged in a line.
D.
Some bricks have been piled on a patio.
Go on to the next page. Part 2. Directions. You will hear a question or statement and 3 responses spoken in English. They will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Select the best response to the question or statement and mark the letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Now, let us begin with question number 7. Number 7.
Who's covering for Ms. Hamada?
A.
Yes, it may rain later.
B.
No, I have enough.
C.
Her assistant.
Number 8.
Where is the fashion seminar?
A.
It's in room 235.
B.
No, the black one.
C.
Just some blouses.
Number 9.
Why do we have to put on safety goggles?
A.
No, the door on your left.
B.
Because of safety regulations.
C.
A hat and a scarf.
Number 10.
What did you do for Mr. Sugiyama's retirement party?
A.
I helped decorate the room.
B.
He's not tired.
C.
Try the file cabinet.
Number 11.
Can I take another bottle of water?
A.
If there are any left.
B.
An old refrigerator.
C.
No, the clock is fast.
Number 12.
Isn't this the last train out?
A.
A round-trip ticket to New York.
B.
The office next door.
C.
No, there's one more.
Number 13.
What was the highlight of your visit to the city this weekend?
A.
Definitely the art museum.
B.
Sorry, I already have plans.
C.
Yes, the guidebook was helpful.
Number 14.
When was that news story about the merger published?
A.
A few weeks ago.
B.
A reporter from the Springfield News.
C.
No, I think that's the right address.
Number 15.
We need to install a security system at the office.
A.
It's a new ID badge.
B.
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
C.
I bought some light bulbs.
Number 16.
Where are the job fairs being held?
A.
I'll take 7 of them.
B.
There's a list in the folder.
C.
Okay, I can drive.
Number 17.
When can we use the new color printer?
A.
This afternoon.
B.
Okay, that's good to hear.
C.
Sure, I can take a photograph.
Number 18.
Could you order some more paper plates?
A.
Thanks for the invitation.
B.
He got a job at the restaurant.
C.
We have enough for 3 months.
Number 19.
Should I pick up the food order for Ms. Santos?
A.
Let's meet next week.
B.
Yes, if you have the time.
C.
I don't cook with vegetable oil.
Number 20.
Why don't you distribute this flyer around the office?
A.
Sure, that's a great idea.
B.
Our flight's been canceled.
C.
I'll take the elevator.
Number 21.
How often do you go to concerts?
A.
I ride my bicycle to work every day.
B.
No, he's not a professional musician.
C.
I don't have a lot of free time.
Number 22.
Do you want me to fix the printer in your office?
A.
An official document.
B.
Yes, that would be helpful.
C.
I printed it on both sides.
Number 23.
Will the company's warehouse be built in the city or farther out?
A.
It'll be in the city.
B.
Yes, he's wearing a red sweater.
C.
2 square kilometers.
Number 24.
The taxi has finally arrived.
A.
Oh, did it get stuck in traffic?
B.
Thanks, but I already have some.
C.
It's their final offer.
Number 25.
How can we train all the new team members?
A.
Yes, I worked on those.
B.
It wasn't as long as we thought.
C.
People like watching videos.
Number 26.
The party is supposed to start at 6 p.m., right?
A.
I added her name to the guest list.
B.
No, the invitation said 7.
C.
Because the party decorations were expensive.
Number 27.
Does the manager want us to pick up the supplies or have them delivered?
A.
She'll be here soon.
B.
You dropped your pen.
C.
You're right about that.
Number 28.
Has Jacob come into the office today?
A.
His briefcase is on his desk.
B.
Yes, it is a nice office.
C.
I can come in for just a minute.
Number 29.
Are you joining the team for today's briefing?
A.
My top client is in town.
B.
Vittorio's Pizzeria.
C.
I enjoyed that film.
Number 30.
I'm organizing a healthy eating program at the office.
A.
She studied at that theatre program,
B.
right beside the new projector.
C.
Do you need any help with it?
Number 31.
Is your car expensive to repair?
A.
The largest model available.
B.
Only a few more times.
C.
It's been running perfectly since I bought it.
Part 3. Directions. You will hear some conversations between 2 or more people. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each conversation. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The conversations will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 32 through 34 refer to the following conversation.
Mr. Hughes, my name is Ms. Ihan. I'll be interviewing you today for the open position of patient transporter. I see on your application that you've worked in healthcare before.
That's right. I worked at the main reception desk at the Southeast Regional Hospital for a while, but I'd like to try a different role.
You'd be responsible for moving patients to various locations throughout the hospital. It'll involve about 6 miles of walking every shift. Are you okay with that?
I actually do a lot of hiking and rock climbing in my free time, so I'm looking forward to having a job that'll have me on my feet more.
Number 32. Where is the conversation taking place? Number 33. What was the man's previous job? Number 34. What does the woman emphasize about the job being offered? Questions 35 through 37 refer to the following conversation with 3 speakers.
Hello, I'm calling to discuss the men's suit and coat store that you want to open.
Thanks for returning our call. My cousin and I are both on the line.
Yes, thanks. At first we were just going to open the business without any advertising.
Right. But then we consulted a friend in the retail industry. He said a strong advertising campaign makes a difference and referred us to you.
He's right. You need to advertise your store before it opens.
Have you looked at the information we sent?
Yes, and here's what I think. First, you should emphasize the fact that this will be a family-run business. Local customers will appreciate that.
Number 35. What kind of business will the men open? Number 36. How did the men learn about the woman's consulting service? Number 37. What does the woman say should be emphasized about a business? Questions 38 through 40 refer to the following conversation.
Look what just arrived. They're the new handheld scanners we've been waiting for.
That's exciting. It's going to be so much easier to scan the groceries with these. Do you know when they'll be installed at each of the checkout stations?
Our manager is hoping to set them up tomorrow night after the store closes. She asked if I could help, but I'm not available.
Oh, I can stay late tomorrow night. I'll go let her know.
Number 38. What are the speakers excited about? Number 39. Where most likely do the speakers work? Number 40. What will the woman tell her manager? Questions 41 through 43 refer to the following conversation with 3 speakers.
I'm Mona Pallavi from Pallavi Construction, and this is Ms. Taylor, our interior designer. We're looking for a source for reclaimed lumber. Many customers are asking to incorporate old wood into their construction projects.
You've come to the right place. We carry wood rescued from barns, factories, and other structures that have been torn down.
People think using reclaimed lumber is cost-effective. Is that true?
Surprisingly, no. It's actually more expensive because we have to go through a lengthy process to make the wood reusable.
What do you think about that, Ms. Taylor?
Customers will pay more for the old wood look, but I'm sure they'd like to see some samples before deciding.
Number 41. What type of business do the women work at? Number 42. According to the man, what may be surprising about a product? Number 43. What will Ms. Taylor most likely ask the man for? Go on to the next page. Questions 44 through 46 refer to the following conversation.
Thanks for agreeing to give me a tour of your company, Ms. Varma. It'll provide plenty of information to use in my article for the newspaper.
No problem. Did you say you write a series about local businesses?
Yes, I do a weekly column spotlighting the histories of unique companies in our region. Now, I read that your father founded the company.
That's right. He started it with only 10 employees.
It seems like it's expanded a lot since then, right?
We export to 59 countries around the world.
Impressive.
Let me show you the shipping area.
Number 44. Who most likely is the man? Number 45. What does the man say he read about the company? Number 46. Why does the woman say,
We export to 59 countries around the world.
Questions 47 through 49 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Sergey. Have you been able to finish the updates for the new bridge we're designing? I'd like to include them in the agenda for our client meeting next week.
Yes, I've reinforced some structural features and added the pedestrian walkway they asked for.
Oh, perfect. Could you take over that part of the meeting to explain the changes to the clients?
Sure, I can do that. But first, I'll send you the updated calculations on the bridge's weight capacity. Some of the numbers have changed significantly because of the structural changes we've made.
Okay, I'll take a look tomorrow and get back to you.
Number 47. Who most likely are the speakers? Number 48. What does the woman ask the man to do? Number 49. What will the man send the woman? Questions 50 through 52 refer to the following conversation.
Ketan, what do you think about this month's marketing report? It looks like our computer keyboard sales are decreasing.
Yes, I saw that. I think it may be connected to our existing marketing strategies. The keyboards are advertised mostly on our website. I think we need to look into expanding our advertising campaign to other types of media.
That's a good idea. Perhaps we need to advocate for a larger marketing budget. That would provide us with more options. Let's bring this up at our next marketing meeting.
Number 50. What products are the speakers discussing? Number 51. According to the man, how are the products currently being advertised? Number 52. What topic will the speakers discuss at a meeting? Questions 53 through 55 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Raul. I wanted to let you know that we received all of the bids we were waiting on for the Meyerville Bridge replacement project.
Thanks. Are there any acceptable bids? I'm worried that with costs rising nowadays, we may exceed our budget for city infrastructure projects.
Well, steel costs per ton are in the thousands for every bid.
I see. We've already reached out to all of the contractors we can, so we'll just need to seek additional funding then. Let's put together a spreadsheet comparing the bids this afternoon. We'll use that for reference at our next Transportation Department meeting.
Number 53. What project are the speakers mainly discussing? Number 54. What does the woman imply when she says,
Steel costs per ton are in the thousands for every bid.
Number 55. What will the speakers do this afternoon? Questions 56 through 58 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Amy. I just got back from that industry trade show in Vancouver. Thanks for recommending the Arch Coast Hotel.
I thought you'd like it. I know how important conservation is to you. Did you know that it was the first environmentally sustainable hotel in Canada?
Yes, I spoke with the owner. He described the hotel's history and told me about their plans. They'll be closed next month while they work on an addition to the main building.
Number 56. Why was the man in Vancouver? Number 57. What does the woman say about a hotel? Number 58. Why will the hotel close temporarily? Questions 59 through 61 refer to the following conversation.
Francesca, welcome. I hope you didn't have too much trouble finding our banking office. Please take a seat. I've read your application, and it looks like we'll be able to finance your business project.
Oh, that's wonderful news. Opening a flower shop has been my dream for so long.
Absolutely. I just have one detail to confirm. Do you still live at 21 Anderson Avenue?
Actually, I've recently moved. Here's a card with my new address.
Thanks. I'll be right back. I need to go over to the printer to pick up some documents that I need you to sign.
Number 59. What did the woman apply for? Number 60. What information does the man ask the woman to verify? Number 61. What will the woman most likely do next? Questions 62 through 64 refer to the following conversation and chart.
Goodland Nature Preserve and Resort. How may I help you?
I have a 2-person cabin booked for next Monday night, but I'm hoping to change my reservation.
Okay. To a different day?
No, we still want to stay on Monday night, but we'd like a bigger cabin.
What size do you need?
One that accommodates 3 or more people.
Well, there's only one larger cabin available. It costs $150.
That's fine. We'll take it. Also, do you offer private tours of the nature preserve?
We do. It's complimentary with your cabin booking. Just let me know when you'd like to do it, and I'll make arrangements with our guide.
Number 62. When will the man stay at the resort? Number 63. Look at the graphic. Which cabin does the man agree to reserve? Number 64. What can cabin guests receive free of charge? Go on to the next page. Questions 65 through 67 refer to the following conversation and map.
Can I help you find something, Lee?
Please. One of the tractors just broke down out in the cornfield, and Kyle sent me back for a toolbox. I just started working here, though, so I'm still getting used to the layout of this place.
Oh, you'll want to go to the tool shed. It's right across the road, next to the pond.
All right. Which way is that?
Actually, I'll head over there with you. I need to grab a wheelbarrow.
Number 65. What problem does the man mention? Number 66. Look at the graphic. Where does the woman tell the man to go? Number 67. What does the woman offer to do? Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation and job list.
A client just called. I need to check on a large batch of tablecloths, napkins, and linens that we're cleaning.
What's the job number?
17. They requested that everything be ready tonight instead of tomorrow. Let's make this a priority.
Okay. I see their initial order came in at 11:30 this morning. Their items haven't been placed in the washer yet. When do they need this rush work done?
By 5 p.m.
We can do it if we put them ahead of job 16.
Sounds good.
So I'll just hold 16 back then. That will help free up some washing machines and dryers.
Number 68. Where do the speakers most likely work? Number 69. Look at the graphic. Which business did the man receive a request from? Number 70. How does the woman suggest resolving an issue? Part 4. Directions. You will hear some talks given by a single speaker. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speaker says in each talk. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The talks will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 71 through 73 refer to the following announcement.
Attention all Curious Minds shoppers. During our going out of business sale, all of our hardcover books are being deeply discounted. From now until the end of the week, they will be sold at an 80% discount. In addition, all paperbacks will be 50% off this week. And please remember, while this store will be shutting down soon, you will still be able to shop in person at our Lawrenceville location, which is just a 15-minute drive from here.
Number 71. Where is the announcement most likely being made? Number 72. What does the speaker say is happening this week? Number 73. What does the speaker remind the listeners about? Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following excerpt from a meeting.
Before we wrap up this meeting, I wanted to discuss the picnic our department has been planning for next Saturday. I've already purchased most of the decorations, and Lorenzo has volunteered to bring a cake. Actually, Lorenzo, there's a great bakery not far from the park that you could order from. It's cash only, but there's a bank across the street. We still need other food and supplies, though. I've posted a list of what we still need in the break room, so write your name next to the item you'll bring.
Number 74. What is the speaker discussing? Number 75. Why does the speaker say,
There's a bank across the street?
Number 76. What does the speaker ask the listeners to do? Questions 77 through 79 refer to the following broadcast.
In local news, Moulton Supermarket is throwing a party today to celebrate its 1-year anniversary. I spoke with owner Antonella Lambert about the store's success. She told me that Moulton strives to offer products from all over the world to meet the needs of the city's diverse population. And customers have responded with enthusiasm, happy to find familiar products from their countries of origin. As for her vision for the future, Lambert says she's already started raising money from investors so that she can open more Moulton supermarkets in adjacent towns.
Number 77. Why is Moulton Supermarket hosting a party? Number 78. According to Antonella Lambert, why is Moulton Supermarket successful? Number 79. Why is Antonella Lambert raising funds? Questions 80 through 82 refer to the following talk.
Hi everyone. I'd just like to say that I'm aware of the issues you're experiencing with internet speed and connectivity in the office. I realize how difficult it is to get your work done with the interruptions. We're fixing it as fast as we can. A technician is coming in an hour or two. I know the sales reports are due on Wednesday, but I've talked to your team leads about the issue. As always, thanks for your hard work.
Number 80. What is not working properly? Number 81. According to the speaker, what will happen in the next few hours? Number 82. What does the speaker mean when he says,
I've talked to your team leads about the issue.
Go on to the next page. Questions 83 through 85 refer to the following telephone message.
Hi, Ling. I just received a call from a group asking to reserve the tea room for tomorrow. They would like us to decide on the entire menu for the tea party, from the tea selection to the food options. I'd like you to handle the preparations. I know you've never been in charge of a tea party before, but you've worked here for 5 months now. By the way, there will be children at the party. Please make sure some low tables and chairs are set up for them. You'll find them in the back room.
Number 83. What type of business does the speaker own? Number 84. What does the speaker imply when she says,
You've worked here for 5 months now.
Number 85. What does the speaker say is located in the back room? Questions 86 through 88 refer to the following excerpt from a meeting.
Peak travel season is almost here, and as everyone knows, we don't have enough baggage handlers, ground crew, or ticketing agents to handle the demand. Passengers are experiencing longer lines and flight delays. Therefore, hiring more staff is our top priority. Now, we already have an incentive program for employees to refer friends for open positions. Please continue referring your friends to apply to work for us. And for our current staff, we're now going to start offering complimentary meals in all employee lounges starting this month. We want you to know that you're valued and appreciated.
Number 86. What industry does the speaker most likely work in? Number 87. What does the speaker say is a priority? Number 88. What change does the speaker mention? Questions 89 through 91 refer to the following excerpt from a meeting.
Some quick announcements before we start the assembly line machines for the day. First, I need to tell you about a new safety standard for everyone working on the factory floor. Starting immediately, rings, earrings, and jewelry of any kind will not be allowed on the floor during your shift. Sorry, I know some of you will find this regulation inconvenient. As a reminder, keep your belongings safe during your shift. I recommend you put a lock on your designated locker in the break room. If you need one, I have a few in my office.
Number 89. Where do the listeners most likely work? Number 90. Why does the speaker apologize? Number 91. What are the listeners reminded to do? Questions 92 through 94 refer to the following announcement.
Good morning, all. I have a quick announcement about some staff shifts. Starting next week, everybody will see their evening hours adjusted. Since summer is ending and people are having dinner earlier, we're going to be closing at 8 instead of 10 p.m. on weekdays. It doesn't make financial sense for our kitchen to stay open late. This is a seasonal adjustment that we make every year. There's no reason for you to worry. We still have plenty of customers in the winter.
Number 92. What is the speaker announcing? Number 93. Where do the listeners most likely work? Number 94. What does the speaker reassure the listeners about? Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following recorded message and activity schedule.
You've reached Hayberry Farm in Millville. We're excited to announce that we're now under new management. Even with the management change, the farm will still be offering a full schedule of summer activities. We're now accepting registrations for our popular cooking class. This class focuses on making delicious meals with fresh ingredients. You can find more information on our website. Also, be aware that our Western Road entrance is closed until the end of June because of road construction. Visitors should use our entrance on Anderson Road.
Number 95. According to the speaker, what has changed at the farm? Number 96. Look at the graphic. When does the mentioned activity take place? Number 97. What are visitors to the business advised to do? Questions 98 through 100 refer to the following broadcast and map.
This is Yun Kong with local information for Greenville residents. Your taxes have increased significantly this year. I know you've noticed, and you want to know what your money's being spent on. The city is going ahead with 4 major projects to improve your library, parkland, firehouse, and streets. Work on the firehouse is currently in progress, while the other projects will be started in coming months. Remember, the election for mayor is approaching, and your vote affects what projects become future priorities in the community. The candidates are holding a debate in our studios this Wednesday, and you're all encouraged to attend.
Number 98. What does the speaker say residents have noticed? Number 99. Look at the graphic. What is the cost of the project currently being worked on? Number 100. What is scheduled for Wednesday?